I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your YouTube Premium auto renewal, follow these steps to ensure you don't get charged again. Step 1. Open YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device or go to the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the premium subscription. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Paid Memberships to view your subscription details. Step 3. Manage your membership. In the Paid Memberships section, find YouTube Premium and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage your subscription settings. Step 4. Cancel membership. Look for the option that says Cancel Membership. Click on it and you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email from YouTube. Make sure to check your inbox to ensure that the auto-renewal has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you cancel close to your billing date, you might still have access until the end of the current billing cycle. If you have any trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to YouTube support. Good luck!